Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be one method on how to make a circle for any crochet project. There are several methods on how to make circles for crochet projects. One of those examples is going to be a magic circle or a magic loop. I do have a video on that and I will have it listed up in the eye and down below. There is another method I do know about how to start a circle and I will have a video on that coming soon, so please stay tuned. But for this tutorial, what you're going to need is a crochet hook and some yarn. I have already made a little slip knot on my hook, so we can begin. And if you still need to learn how to make a slip knot, you're new to crocheting, I have a playlist on how to crochet doing basic stitches, and I will have that listed up in the eye and down below. I also have a video on how to make a slip knot, so I will also have that listed. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the example of, so you come across a pattern and it says work 10 double crochet stitches into the first chain of your hook. And that is going to be how we're going to create our circle. So for that, I'm going to do 4 chains. And I'm going to be using 3 of those chains as a double crochet stitch. And then we're going to be working into this last chain, or the first chain that we made to make the circle. So it'll all make sense in a second once I start working into it. So these 3 count as 1 double crochet, right? So I'm going to be starting my second double crochet and I'm going to be working into that first chain that we made. And see, we're going to keep working into this little chain right here, and it's going to be creating a circle around it. So then we're going to work our third one. Our fourth one. And our fifth one. You can see half of the circle is already being made. 6. Keep that little tail out of the way. 7. 8. 9. And 10. And then I'm going to join into this the top of the first stitch we made to complete that circle. And then that is how you work into the first chain of your hook to create a circle. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it makes sense. Please leave me any feedback that you have. Please like and subscribe to see more from me. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys have a great day.